Hello everyone, it's Jodi, and I am here today to tell you about my free card kit in the mail for January 2025. When you place an order with me that is $60 or more, you're going to automatically get supplies to make these 4 cards in the mail from me for free. So let me show you each of the cards and then I'll tell you a little bit more. So this first one is the Best Wishes card. I did some stamping with the hearts along the edge on this note card that comes printed like that. Of course, I stamped the greeting. There's some designer paper, ribbon, and twine, and then some embellishments. I also did this one with the happy birthday. You can see that that's some glimmer paper in the background. So that adds a fun element. There's some stars stamped in the background, the little cupcake, and of course the happy birthday greeting. And then there's the thank you card with some daffodil delight. You see that bright, fun, springy color. There's some stamping of the flowers on that layer and some ribbon here. And of course the thank you greeting. And then the thinking of you card. Again, stamping in the background, the greeting, some designer paper, ribbon, embellishments. So what you'll get in the mail from me is the cardstock, the designer paper, the embellishments, everything that you need to complete these 4 cards. What you need to provide, if you want to complete them exactly as shown, is the With You in Mind stamp set. And I used these ink pads, so Balmy Blue, Fresh Freesia, Petal Pink, and Early Espresso. If you want to complete them just as they're shown, you will need that stamp set and those ink pads. If you want to use other things that you have at home, you can certainly do that. So you would just maybe stamp a different image in the backgrounds here or use different words on those spots. This stamp set, though, is definitely one that I think would be great to have because of the versatility. The font is great, they're great sizes, and it's just a really fun set. So I would encourage the With You in Mind stamp set. Now, you do a $60 minimum order, you use my host code. This packet with the supplies to make these cards will get mailed to you automatically for free as a thank you gift from me. And you might be wondering, why $60? Well, because we're going to double dip. So when you order $60 this month, you also get to choose something for free out of the Stampin' Up! Sale-a-Bration brochure. So this is a fun annual promotion that Stampin' Up! Does. And there's all sorts of things in here. There's paper, there's embellishments, there's ribbon, of course, stamp set. In the back, there's even some dies. There's a bundle here. So how it works is that with every $60 you order, every $60 in product, before shipping and tax, you get to choose a free item. And then if you do $120, there's like next level. There's a couple of $120 options, or you can simply choose 2 from the $60 section. So it's entirely up to you. But with $60 this month, you're going to get supplies for my free card kit, and you're going to get to choose the Sale-a-Bration item out of this brochure. So that's what I have for you. Be sure to look at the description here in the video so that you can see the host code and a link to go do your shopping. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.